Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Wix ratings for your e-commerce store. So for that you need a e-commerce website. So this is a e-commerce website, a demo e-commerce website which is for tutorial purpose. So I come to shop page and this is the widget. So simply you have to go to widget and click on this new option for plugins and click on add Wix reviews and ratings summary. This is the widget. This will get added. So it is saying it is installing and will take you to product page, and here it's the settings that you can choose between. For display you can either enable it or disable it, the heading, then the rating button, which you can also remove the filters, show sorting, then default sorting is the sorting settings, then the reviews you can add as many as possible, let's say 10, then also you can add, and let's say 20 is the maximum. Then you can go to design and there are a bunch of options. From overall rating you can change options here, then rating breakdown, then also here you can change some settings and colors in rating breakdown. Then if you leave a review button, there is a default, then over, it is basically buttons settings, buttons color you can check according to your requirement. Then there is a review form, here also it is all about fields and everything. Then there is also a button option for changing its behavior, cosmetic changes. Then the review list is there. Then you can go back to this review area. So a bunch of options, I like this, it's a pretty good option. Then there is a layout, there is large cards, small cards, you can choose between small card, large card and list. Then bottom padding and top padding is there, and then that's about it. Then this is how it is looking. Then you can also adjust it by dragging. Then it is showing reviews shown here are just examples. Okay, got it. Then see how it will look. It's good, right? Then you can again click on manage reviews. Here you can add, or you can manage basically the reviews which we will show on your website, e-commerce website. The reviews, you can see it will show you the exact list of how many reviews are published, pending, rejected. So this is how you can do it. I hope you got it, and thanks for watching this video, and comment down what else you want to see in the upcoming tutorials. So thanks a lot. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.